Hi, it's Mr. Burtis. Today we're going to take a look at a 4-in-1 screwdriver and a 6-in-1 screwdriver and the differences in both. What are they and what do they do and why do I think this is a great tool? So I'm going to show you real quick what you can do. You've got two sides to each one. You got a smaller common bit, smaller Phillips, larger common, and a larger Phillips. The 6-in-1 actually have the ability to use it as a wrench also. So I'm going to go ahead and show that. So what you have when you put them together, you have a wrench and it snaps in and locks. Okay, so there's your small and your large. So basically what we're looking at is we're looking at an HDX Home Depot, the 4-in-1 from Harbor Freight. Both can do pretty much the same thing. The thing I like about the HDX is it actually holds the bits a little bit tighter. After a few uses with the Harbor Freight, we end up getting some of the bits fall out a little bit easier, but there's a difference in cost. But both of them, if we take it apart, has a wrench in there, and I can take this, and we have a wrench. So basically, what you've got is you've got 2, 4, 5, 6. So it's a 6-in-1. Harbor Freight will do the same thing, but it's not designed as a nut and bolt wrench, but it will still do the job. I have both, and I use a lot of the Harbor Freight at school with the students, and that's why the bits are coming out. This one I've had for 6 years, the Home Depot. Difference is, this is $2, and this one is $2.67. I personally rather use the HDX just because the longevity of how long I had it. In fact, some of these that I've had, I've lost them before I bore them out. So there's our two, our 6-in-1 and our 4-in-1. Both do pretty much the same thing. Always remember, dream, think, design, build, and learn. I'll see you in the shop.